In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the GoHighLevel Social Media Planner. We'll walk through everything you need to know to efficiently manage and schedule your social media content using this handy tool. So let's dive right in. To get started, you'll want to navigate to the Marketing section and then into the Social Planner within GoHighLevel. This opens up your calendar dashboard, which serves as the central hub for managing all your social media content. It's here that you have a bird's eye view of all your scheduled posts, drafts, and published content, providing a convenient way to keep everything organized and on track. Next, let's connect your social media accounts. To do this, go to the settings by clicking on the gear icon inside the social planner. Here you can link various platforms such as Facebook pages, Instagram business accounts, LinkedIn, TikTok, Google Business Profile, and even X, formerly known as Twitter. A quick note for this step: make sure that your Instagram account is a business or creator account linked to Facebook, as posting functionalities are designed specifically for these types of accounts. Also, remember that Facebook posting operates only with pages, not personal profiles. Additionally, it's good practice to periodically re-authenticate some platforms to maintain their connection. Moving on, we'll create a social media post. Start by clicking on New Post, followed by Create New Post. This opens the Post Composer, where you'll select which social accounts you want the post to go out to. Then type your caption, upload any necessary media, and don't forget to include relevant hashtags or links to boost visibility and engagement. You'll be able to preview the post to ensure everything looks just right before deciding on your next steps. Here you have several options. You can publish the post immediately, schedule it for a later time, save it as a draft, or even set it to recur at specified intervals. If you're working within a team, there's also a feature to send the post for approval. One of the most exciting features within the Post Composer is the AI content generation capability. By clicking the AI button, you can enter a prompt to help generate content. For example, you might type in something like, "Create a motivational Instagram caption for a fitness coach." Once you do, GoHighLevel's AI will generate suggested captions, promotional post ideas, hashtags, calls to action, and even variations suited for multiple platforms. Finally, it's time to schedule your posts. Simply choose the date, time, and platform you want your content to appear on. Then click Schedule Post or choose Publish Now if you're ready to share it immediately. One of the highlights of using the calendar view is the ability to drag and drop posts, which offers a quick way to reschedule if your content strategy changes. That concludes our walkthrough on using GoHighLevel's Social Media Planner. With these tools, you're well equipped to streamline your social media management efficiently. Thank you for watching and happy planning.